Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have an Influenster VOXBOX unboxing for you guys. This is the Autumn Essentials box. So let's just jump right in and see what we got in here. All right, so it says, welcome to the Autumn Essentials box. All right, so let's just show you guys what we got in here. All right, so first things here, we got some samples for the Advil multi-symptom cold and flu. These are always nice to have in your purse. If you ever get these symptoms, you can just have them and take them. So that's good. Next thing in here is from Humphreys, and this is a witch hazel, alcohol-free, refresh with cucumber with wild crop certified witch hazel. I like this. And it's a full size. Look at this, guys. That's amazing. So it's to refresh your skin. All right, this is great. And I'm super excited about the last thing in here. This is gonna be a very short video. I got a butterfinger. I don't even want to say anything because I want to eat this. And I know if my kids find out, they're gonna want it. Oh my God. I haven't had a Butterfinger in such a long time. I was really wanting this. All right, my loves, that's it for this video. Literally like a 2-minute video of an unboxing. I love it. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, my loves.